Firstech Company Limited is a core company in the super precision control industries. The company has expanded its market to the world, and it has endeavored to make a dramatic technological innovation to challenge for the future of technology. Since the company was established in 1975, when the defense industry of Korea first started, it has played an important role in the realization of Korea's independent defense by leading the development of core parts of the advanced defense systems in the fields of maneuver and firepower, guided weapon, aerospace, unmanned weapon systems at sea, and underwater, etc. With the thorough management, innovation, and continuous development of new technologies, Firstech has globalized the defense industry of Korea and become one of the best global defense contractors in the field of super precision mechatronics. With the start of the development of fire control system for Vulcan Gun when it was established, Firstech has developed and produced the electronic products such as operators' devices and power distribution system for the land equipment and artillery systems. Participating in the performance development projects for various kinds of maneuver and firepower equipment, Firstech put full efforts on the development of Active Defense System APS for the enhanced survivability of tanks and armored vehicles, as well as guns and driving systems for the remote-controlled weapons system RCWS. Firstech has played a crucial role in the guided weapons system, which is the key forces in the modern war. It is a defense company specialized in the precision control, as it not only supplies the core components of guided weapons such as Hyunmoo, Chunmoo, Bigum, and Hyungum, but also has the capabilities ranging from the M&S-based design to the manufacturing and final testing and evaluation, ranging from guided control system, which is the brain in the guided missiles and the driving system controlling the posture and direction of guided missiles, to the distribution system and distribution cable assembly, which controls the power and signal of the components in the guided weapons, and the engine control system, which handles the propulsion control. Firstech has not only the core technologies in the guided weapon fields, but also has the production capabilities, thus growing to be one of the representative defense contractors in Korea. On top of that, Firstech develops and produces the core parts of the fire control system, which comprehensively inspects the guided missiles and controls their final firing, and the electric firing system for tactical guided missiles. With the continuous research and development of core technologies for future advanced guided weapon system, it becomes a leader in the precision control fields for the guided weapons. Firstech has played a key role in the development and production of sea and underwater weapons system for the defense of Korea's territorial waters. First development of mine-laying system for the next-generation mine-laying ship in Korea. Localization of development of torpedo defense system and flare firing system for submarine Jangbogo 3, the technology for which had been very dependent on the overseas technology. Even the request for purchasing of the total mast, driving system, and SDV containers for the self-developed and produced tactical submarines. The future of Firstech extends to the world beyond Korea. Especially, we have an excellent reputation for our unique technical skills in heat control system fields by developing the cooling systems for laser air defense weapon system, unmanned reconnaissance vehicle, and next-generation maneuver vehicle, as well as environmental control system for the airplane embedded pod in advance. Not satisfied with the current position, Firstech is achieving brilliant results by expanding the aerospace field by using the accumulated technologies and infrastructures in the fields of land and sea-based weapons and guided weapons. Having settled as a professional company in the field of electronic equipment in the aerospace, which is essential in the operation of aircraft, Firstech develops and produces the driving system for automatic flight control system, cockpit control panel, ADS, firefighting device, engine propulsion system, and wire harness, etc. which are applied to the domestically developed rotary wing aircrafts of KUH, LAH, and fixed wings aircrafts of FA-50, KF-21. In addition, Firstech leads the development of new unit systems such as propulsion, fuel supply, and environment systems for the drones which would lead the future battlefields, such as NextCore class drone, medium and high altitude drone, along with the low probability of intercept drone formation flight vehicles and stealth flight vehicle, which are the future drone systems. It also leads the development of core technologies as a leading contractor in the projects of UCCR, which is Unmanned Combat Compound Rotorcraft. The company becomes a company specialized in aerospace industry by establishing an engine testing room to carry out the final testing and evaluation for the first time as a medium-sized company. With the start of development of the driving system for the manipulator of the unmanned explosive detection and removal robot and autonomous exploration robot on the land, Firstech becomes famous for the development of the unmanned underwater weapons. It develops the control system, propulsion system, launching and return systems for unmanned reconnaissance boat and unmanned submersibles, and leads the development of compound guided missile attack system, aircraft loaded drone system, swarm telecommunication network system in order to actively handle the change in the battlefield environment, to the manned and unmanned compound systems, and focuses on the development of reconnaissance and attack type drones and large-size compound drones. Firstech, with the strict compliance with the quality assurance programs such as the AS9100, DQMS, CMMI, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certification, etc. Firstech has constructed its Independent Enterprise Resources Management System and acquired the efficiency in the resource control and the transparency in the National Defense Costing System. Having grown to a representative defense contractor in the Republic of Korea, Firstech will be a strong leader of the global defense industry in the future. The company has established a foundation of growth by strengthening R&D capability and will be a company reliable to the customers, continuously innovate and challenge expand to the satellite and space businesses, having an excellent technology of K-defense industry and expands to the world beyond Korea. Thank you.